Okay, VW Passat TDI, rear brake pads, electronic handbrake. So I've been told you have to park these and use a tool and whatnot, and whatever sensor, and plug it into the dashboard. I ain't getting any of that stuff, so we're just gonna have a go manually. And what I've been told is that take the caliper off. Got two nuts here, one there and one at the bottom. Make sure in focus. Take them off, loosen the caliper, drop the caliper off, and then wind. Take off the drive motor at the back, which is two Allen or stars, I'm not too sure what they are until we get to them. And then you can wind the motor in clockwise. Once you wind it in clockwise, then you put your shoes and pads, put your pads back on, and then you go back together again. So bear with me. Okay, so just crack them with the spanner. Two like that, top and bottom. You can see that. There we go. And these should now, the caliper, as you can see, should start coming out. I'll put the phone down. So here we go. Shoes aren't the best though, so they did need replacing. Let's have a look. There's a bit left on them, but not a lot. So I don't know where the sensor is that senses the distance between, because it comes up with a warning saying, you know, oh, someone's stuck there. There we go. Pushing back up. These are just the guides. All right, so now what you have to do is undo this motor. We might have to undo that as well. So we'll undo the motor, and I'll undo this first. To undo that, it's just a clip here. You just pull it open and then pull the wire off. I don't know if anyone wants to let us know in the comments, but we've got a cracked casing. I don't know how significant that is. We can't do much about it at the moment because it needs to be done anyway. So hopefully we'll just be careful with that. It looks like someone's either over tightened it and it's cracked. Right, okay, so I haven't been able to do it because whoever tightened up the nuts which are holding the motor on, the handbrake motor on, are so tight that I can't get in there to do them, and it looks like with the crack on the casing as well, it's like they've been over tightened. So I'm not going to take a chance because they need to use this vehicle for Scotland in a trip very soon. So I'm going to just put it back together again, piece of cake, put the shoes back in and the pads back in. And what will happen next is if the person with the car will now take it to a garage, and they won't have to take that drive motor off because they'll have a device where they electronically plug it into the computer and park the brake automatically, which will put the drive motor right back. Hold on, we're out of focus. Bad that. And it'll park it automatically, so you haven't got to then undo the nuts to take the motor off to wind it clockwise to put it into the parking position. So there we are. Failed drastically, but good fun. Take care, catch you the next one.